Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Unreal Engine exports to Premiere Pro for post-workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Unreal Engine project. Navigate to the content browser. Locate the sequences or assets you wish to export. Right-click on the desired sequence. Select the option to export from the context menu. Choose the export format suitable for Premiere Pro, typically a video or image sequence. Set your export settings, including resolution and frame rate. Designate the output folder for your exported files. Click on Export to initiate the process. Monitor the progress bar for the export completion. Once the export is complete, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project or open an existing one. In the Premiere Pro project panel, right-click to import media. Navigate to the folder where your exports are saved. Select the files you exported from Unreal Engine. Click Open to import the files into Premiere Pro. Organize your imported media in the project panel as needed. Drag the media files to the timeline for editing. Adjust the timeline settings to match your project's requirements. Utilize Premiere Pro's editing tools to enhance your video. Save your project regularly to avoid losing progress. Once editing is finished, navigate to the Export menu in Premiere Pro. Choose your preferred export settings for final output. Click Export to render your edited video. Review the exported video file to ensure quality and accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.